How to fix Destiny of Immortal is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and right click on the game, open up the properties, and in the launch options you want to add hyphen on dx11 command, then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. Now once this is completed, you can close Steam, open up your browser, and navigate to this link which you can find in the description. And you will need to download the 86 installer and the 64 for the redistributables. Once you finish this, it will require a computer restart. So right after restarting a computer, one thing you need to do is check if you have the latest GPU driver update. So in case if you're using an NVIDIA GPU, you can use the NVIDIA app, which is this one. Otherwise, you can download the AMD software if you're running AMD. And you want to get the latest driver update and install it. Now, the next thing you'll need to do is right click on Steam and run it as admin, and then just launch the game from your library, and it should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.